Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop a screenshot on iPhone on iOS 26. To crop a screenshot, all you need to do is first take it with power and volume up button. Now it'll automatically go into this screen, and in order to crop it, start moving around either the corner or the edge of the screenshot, either of the available ones. And now your screenshot is basically cropped. You can click on this approve button in top right corner and either save it to photos, to files, to a quick note, or delete it. You also have an option, copy and delete, which will not save your screenshot anywhere in photos or any other place as a file, but it'll be copied to your clipboard, so you can simply paste it, for example, to a conversation with someone in iMessage or any other place, and save it, then forget about it, and it just won't be saved anywhere. It'll just be pasted where you pasted, right? I'm gonna save it to photos, and that's it for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.